this key is hanging down. I have to lose it. It's stuck here. And when I move it now, do this here. Hello, good day. Here I am, going to tune this Young Chang grand piano. Here, two little problems here. This key, F key, is hanging down. So I see it here. The hammer is up. It's not going down. And the left pedal is not in the right position. I see it when I take a look at it. And we have here these things here in between. So I have to remove it. First we start removing this one. Okay. So it was here in between on the left side. And when I move it now, it's okay now. Then we have to find out about this key here. Oh, so this here is stuck here. So the problem is here that the hammer is not going back. I have to lose it. Sometimes there is some stiffness here in, so it's not going down like it should go down like this without problems. Sometimes it's good to do this here. It's getting a little loose. You can see it is going down. Then I have to do more of this. I usually do it here on the leg. Find out how it is now. So it's loose now, but a little stiff. It's okay now. So it's loose now. Then I have to put it inside. So I have to put the hammer here back again, and it's better to have all the things here in between. Don't lose this one. Here I put it back again, and I have to think about the gap here. Should be the same. Equal it between the next hammers, and it's working. I put it in together and start tuning. Thank you for today. Bless, bless.